So I also want to quickly look at the code that I use to create my device. So starting off with the canvas code, this is the Python code that I wrote to create the graphical user interface that the image is displayed on that the user can then draw on. So it is functions like initialization, which is going to create the user interface and buttons and things like that, as well as call the function to take an image and set up those processes. So next, we've got the different functions like use brush, choose the color, changing the color of the brush, clearing the canvas, and other functions like that, save photo. So then coming into this function here, my click function, so this is what responds to the button. So when the button is clicked, our GPIO input 20, which is 40 on board numbering system, that's going to display high because the signal is then going to be set high through the button, which will then take the photo. And this function is called by our camera function. And so the camera function essentially just launches the camera. We set it equal to a video capture of 0. 0 is the port number that our MIPI camera is connected to. And then it resizes it here. This is to set it to full screen. And it resizes it to W and H, which are passed to this function. And those are just calculations of the current window size. So whatever device it is played on, it'll adapt to that size. It then plays it out, plays out the video as camera 2, or camera, and then awaits the different exit commands. Okay, I'm now going to demonstrate how my final project works by itself. So I've created a desktop application that calls the command line to execute my Python function. And so it'll start up the program. And you see we have the display, the camera playing. So we can take a photo. And once we've taken the photo, we can draw over top of it with the stylus. It's a little difficult to click on. There we are. So you can draw on top and save the images. And takes you back. So again, clicking on the button takes the photo. Change the brush size, color, change all of this. And you can draw anything on top, and then when you click clear, it clears it.